Now we'll move on to the part 3 and we'll perform the same attacks we did in the previous labs. Now we'll use the Kismet tools to perform those attacks. And for the first, we'll use two tools, which I'll be using MDK3 and MDK4 to perform the deauthentication DOS attacks on the access point. And there you go. The D stands for the authentication and the C stands for the channel number. The device is connected and we can see in the 1 is the number on which our access point is connected. The B stands for the BSS ID of the device, which you can see here, and it's already been copied. There you go. As you can see that the broadcast deauthentication and deassociation of the clients has been done with the attack, and the access point is shutting down due to the DOS attack we did. There you go. Now we'll stop that and we'll perform the same with the MDK4. MDK4, it's the same. The D stands for the authentication, the access point of the device. Yes, the DOS with the MDK4 is not working for us. Now we'll move on. We'll see the part 2. We'll perform the beacon flooding attack using the Kismet tool. And we use the same MDK3 and MDK4 to perform those attacks. WLAN 0 mon, which is our interface of the access point. B stands for the beacon flooding attack, and the channel number, which is 1. There you go. As we can see, various random attacks of the frames has been added, and the channel has been flooded with the beacons. Now we'll perform the same with MDK4. WLAN 0 mon. We'll create various access points with the fake names on the same channel. Oh, we can see here as well. Various access points have been created. There you go. These are the fake access points that has been created, and with beacon is we have performed the beacon flooding with both of the MDK3 and MDK4. Now we'll stop that and we'll move on to part 3. Now we'll perform the authentication on the access point and see what are the tool Kismet shows. Okay. Now first of all we'll perform with MDK3. WLAN 0 mon. A stands for authentication and the BSS ID of our device. There you go. Oh, we can see various devices. Top as well. Random fake clients with the MAC addresses has been created, and we can perform the deauthentication by this way. Now we'll perform the same with MDK4. you go. It shows the same output as various clients has been created. MDK4 fake clients, and we can flood the channel. Now we'll stop it. Now we'll move on to the next part. Next part is we have to perform the DHCP starvation attack on Yersinia. There you go. Activate Yersinia. As you can see, we are not able to detect the interfaces of the access point, so we would not be able to perform the Yersinia attack. Sorry, DHCP starvation attack. Now we'll move on to the next point. As we mentioned and we stated different attacks, we have did the same, and it's all the same ways to protect from this attack, as we can restrict the port entry. We can also filter the MAC addresses of the devices having the access of the access point. These are the some ways to protect against such attacks.